Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can download Bigo Live on iPhone. So just to do that, go ahead and open up your app store on your iPhone. Once you open it, you can see the search bar right there, and in the search bar go ahead and type down Bigo Live and search for it. So here you can see Bigo Live right here. So in order to download it, go ahead and tap on Get. Here you can just see the age limit, it is 17 plus. So in order to download it, double click to install in the iPhone. Once it's done, it will start downloading on your mobile phone. Once it's installed, you are good to go. You'll be able to use Bigo Live on your mobile phone or your iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.